In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product service bundle in QuickBooks Online. Bundling products and services is a fantastic way to streamline your invoicing process, save time, and offer clients a clear, consolidated package. Whether you're grouping complementary items or combining services for a specific purpose, QuickBooks Online makes it simple to create and manage bundles. In just a few steps, you'll learn how to set up a bundle that meets your business needs and helps you stay organized. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Sales area located on the left-hand navigation bar in QuickBooks Online. This is where all your sales-related tools and options are housed, making it the hub for managing products, services, and transactions. Once you're there, click on Products and Services. This will take you to your catalog of items where you can view and manage everything you sell or offer as part of your business. Before you create a bundle, it's important to ensure that all the individual products or services you plan to include in it are already set up in your catalog. If you haven't added these items yet, you'll want to do that first. QuickBooks Online requires that these components exist separately before you can combine them into a bundle. Once you've confirmed that everything is ready, head to the top right corner of the Products and Services page and click on the button labeled New. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the type of item you'd like to create. From this menu, choose Bundle. This is the specific product type that allows you to group multiple items together. Now, it's time to name your bundle. Choose a clear and recognizable name that reflects what the bundle offers. For example, if you're combining graphic design services with logo creation, you might name your bundle Design Essentials Package. The name should be straightforward so both you and your customers can easily identify it. If your business uses SKUs or stock keeping units for inventory tracking or reporting, you can enter an SKU for the bundle at this stage. This step is optional, but it can be helpful for businesses that rely on detailed reporting or inventory management. Next, you'll want to write a description for your bundle. This is where you can provide more detail about what the bundle includes or its purpose. Be specific and clear. For instance, you can list the items or services included and explain how they work together to meet a customer's needs. A good description ensures your team and your customers understand exactly what's being offered. Once your bundle is named and described, it's time to add the products and services. Use the search field to find the items you want to include and simply select them one by one. QuickBooks Online will compile these items as part of the bundle. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct items and included everything you intended. After you've added all your products and services, review the bundle details carefully. Make sure the name, description, SQ, if applicable, and included items are accurate. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before saving the bundle. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, click Save. Your new bundle is now part of your catalog, ready to be used in invoices, sales receipts, and estimates. And just like that, you've created a product service bundle in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.